Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So we did get the rejection up here, which we're looking for, but we basically blew past all the levels where I would have expected some form of support to arrive. And even this level here, I was expecting this tail or even this tail as an opportunity for support, and that there would have been a fairly decent area of support. You can see all the touches on that. That's kind of the neckline for this inverse head and shoulders. Instead, we came all the way back down to find support, not even at the diagonal. So anyway, it's the way life goes often, and this is just an indication of how difficult it is for trend reversals. Say V reversals are rare. I've only seen it happen twice in my career anyway, and that's a proper V reversal on a higher time frame. And this here is in between the moving averages, so we are now consolidating, trying to validate this potential V reversal. So, sorry, not V reversal, market reversal. So at the moment, looking at the 3 hour, in amongst the moving averages, we do have a crossover. Oscillators group to the downside, massive diversions here, absolutely massive divergence between this swing low, and then we've got a double bottom from this last swing low. So I'm very, very, very reluctant to be chasing shorts at the moment. This was a big sell-off, which is fine, but it's not something that I really want to be chasing at the moment. So on the daily, Monday was big up, Tuesday's big down. Yeah, probably another sort of move up at the moment, but could get a rejection here at 106147. I'm not really keen on that. Just based on what I'm seeing here on the 3 hour, I'm going to want to see a drop below the low of this week, this current week, and then a retest of it before getting too excited about shorts. I think you should still be looking for opportunities to the upside at the moment. There's nothing more to say to that. So this is my line in the sand right now, 106147. Get above it, find support. Then I have a nice juicy gap target to the upside. Then you're probably looking for sort of a big up, big down continuation on the daily. But I suppose the wise thing to do would be to sit quietly here while it figures out which direction it's going to go. Granted, we are in a downward trend, but this is looking like a rounding bottom, a trend reversal here. So I'd rather be cautious, wait for confirmation of that trend reversal on the higher time frames, and you can wait for it here on the 3 hour. But all that it means is I need support above this previous week's high right here. So 106.394 needs to get above, find support, and then we can tackle the current weekly high again. Okay, so that's kind of my view at the moment. Markets are very volatile at the moment. Still quite a few earnings to come out and a lot of data. So be cautious. Be very, very cautious. I think err on the side of caution rather than anything else. And there is no real well-defined trend yet. The higher time frames are looking for a trend reversal, and your lower time frames are just basically chaotic. So be cautious. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.